Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can delete your account on Linktree platform. This tutorial is step by step, so make sure you follow carefully. Firstly, we have to open main page of linktree.com. You will look at upper right corner where it shows more, and above that there will be displayed first letter of your last or first name so you can't miss it. After clicking that, you must scroll down to find my account section and you will click that. When you successfully got access for that section, you must scroll down once again until you find the delete account button. After pressing that, you will get confirmation questions where basically they want to confirm that you really want to delete it and it's not any sort of misclick. And you click continue. Code will be sent to your Gmail within a second. You must copy that and paste on page where code is requested. And that's it, your account is deleted. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.